Did you know many people are having trouble using the scanner on their HP Envy 4520? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Load document. Open the scanner lid and position your document face down, aligning it with the corner. Step 2. Open software. Launch the scanning software on your computer from the desktop or Start menu. Step 3. Select scan type. Select Scan in the software and choose your preferred scan type, such as document or photo. Step 4. Customize settings. Adjust settings like file type and resolution, and choose where to save your scan file. Step 5. Start scanning. Click Scan to begin scanning and make sure the file is saved to your chosen location. Now you should be able to easily scan documents with your HP Envy 4520 printer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.